everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, we are running through all of the recipes inside the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. These recipes are kidney and beginner friendly. It's available on Amazon, so I will have a link in my caption. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're going to be making Oslo tofu rice soup. So we're going to need a leek, canned coconut milk, some tofu, salt, pepper, basmati rice, some watercress, extra virgin olive oil, and low sodium vegetable broth. So our first step is going to be taking 1 cup of water and half a cup of the vegetable broth and adding it to a pot and bringing it to a boil. So we have 1 cup of water going in and half a cup of vegetable oil going in, and I'll go put that on the stove and start boiling it. So once that's boiled, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of basmati rice to it. Just gonna get everything else prepped that we're going to be adding into there. Measure out 4 ounces of tofu. That's pretty good. So now that we have our tofu measured out, we're going to cut up half the leek and we're just gonna chop it. A cup of watercress. So I'm just going to cut that. So now that our water is boiled, I'm going to add the 3 tablespoons of basmati rice. And then we're going to reduce the heat to low and we're gonna cover it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So now that it's been 10 minutes, I'm gonna add my tofu and my leeks. Then we're gonna add a 1/16 teaspoon of salt and an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. So then you're gonna let this simmer for another 5 minutes, uncovered. So now that it's been 5 minutes, I'm going to stir in my watercress until it's wilted. And then I'm going to remove it from the heat and add my coconut milk. Remove from the heat, it looks like that. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of canned coconut milk. And then we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're gonna give this a stir and try it out. So let's put this in. So this is what it's looking like. It's actually really good. It has a lot of flavor in it, which is nice. I think that this would be like a nice quick lunch, something you could also make in a batch, so you could save it to have over a few days. Even with some type of like garlic bread or something like that would be really good. Just a reminder, this is where I got the recipe from. I have a link in my caption. So have a great day. Thanks for watching and see you next time.